You're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus 9 to the power of 2. This is equal to 81. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we are going to solve this by applying three methods here. Let's start with method 1. Method 1, we have x plus 9 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 81. Now, we have that x plus 9 raised to the power of 2. This is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have x to the power of 2, then plus 2 multiplied by x times 9, then plus 9 squared, which is 81. This is equal to 81. So here we have x squared plus 2 times x times 9. This is 18x. Now, let's take plus 81 on the right hand side. So this means we have 81 minus 81. So we have x squared plus 18x. This is equal to 81 minus 81. This is equal to 0. So here we have x to the power of 2. This is equal to, let's take plus 18x on the right hand side. This becomes minus 18x. So let's divide both sides by x, so that now x here will be equal to minus 18. So this is the value of x. X is equal to minus 18. So this is by applying method 1. So let's solve by applying method 2 from here. Now in method 2, we have x plus 9 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 81. Now let's introduce a square root on both sides, so that we have the square root of x plus 9 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to, now this is plus or minus the square root of 81. So that now here we have the square root sign here is eliminated, so that we have x plus 9. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of 81, which is 9. So we have x plus 9. This is equal to 9. And we have x plus 9. This is equal to minus 9. So from what we have here, this means that x is equal to 9, subtract 9, and x here is equal to 0. And here we have x is equal to minus 9, subtract 9, and this means that x here is also equal to minus 18. So here we have two values of x. We have x equal to 0, and we have x equal to minus 18. That's by applying method 2. Now let's check if these values of x satisfies the equation. Now let's start with x here. X equal to 0. Let's check this. We have x plus 9 raised to the power of 2. This should give us a value of 81. So we have 0 plus 9 raised to the power of 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 81. So this is the same thing as 0 plus 9. This is 9. 9 squared. This is 81, which is equal to 81. So we have that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now let's take x, which is equal to minus 18 from here. So we have minus 18 plus 9 raised to the power of 2. This should be equal to 81. So we have minus 18 plus 9. This is minus 9 raised to the power of 2. This should be equal to 81. So minus 9 squared, this is equal to 81. We have this is 81, which is equal to 81. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the values of x here, we have 0 and minus 18, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching, and kindly follow the steps.